This is lesson 4 of the Kannada alphabet series. I am referring to Savi Kannada grade 1 part 1 textbook. So today we will be looking at lesson 4. We have completed till lesson 3 in the you can see them in the previous videos. This is lesson 4. Aksharabhyasa 4. So let us look at the lesson now. This is page number 51. Page number 51 in your textbook. Again, as before, I will first do a recap of all the alphabets we have done in the previous 3 lessons. So the first lesson, the alphabets were Ra, Ga, Sa, Da, A. This was lesson 1. Then in lesson 2, the alphabets were Ja, Va, Ma, Ba, Na. Ra, Ga, Sa, Da, A, Ja, Va, Ma, Ba, Na. Then the alphabets in lesson 3 were Pa, Ya, U, Da, Ta, and Cha. Okay, so we have seen totally 16 alphabets so far. Ra, Ga, Sa, Da, A, Ja, Va, Ma, Ba, Na, Pa, Ya, U, Da, Ta, Cha. So today's lesson has only 4 alphabets. So let us look at the alphabets of lesson 4. So this is La, the first alphabet in today's lesson. This is La, 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 La. Then this alphabet is E, 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 as in when we say seed. So E, seed, E, okay. Then U, this alphabet is U. It is as in moon, moon, right? So this is U, U, and it is this in Hindi, U. Then this alphabet is Ka, Ka, as in cup, Ka, Ka, and Ka. Okay. So once again, this is La, La, E, U, and Ka. La, E, U, and Ka. So let's see how to write. La is very simple. You just do this. La. Like this. Okay? Just write like this. This is La. This is La. Next is E. So you can first write like how we wrote Ra. And then in the center draw a line and write like an English alphabet S. So first write Ra, then in the center put a line and then you can write an English alphabet S. So this is E. So again I will write it. First write Ra and then do this. So this is E. Okay. Then this is U. So remember in lesson 3 we did U. We did this. This is U. This is U. This will be U. So it is like you're just drawing some waves. So you start like this. This is oo. This was oo which we saw in lesson 3 and this is oo which we are seeing now in lesson 4. So I'll write it again. So you start and it's just like as though you're drawing waves. So it is oo. Okay? Oo. Then this is ka. So it's like you write a circle, a line, then one more line, vertical line and then talekattu. So you write a circle, put a line, then put another small vertical line and put a talekattu. This is ka. Once again I will write like this and like this. This is ka. Ka. So once again, la, this is la, e, oo and ka. Now we have to look at the words which are using this alphabets as well as the alphabets from the previous classes. So let's start. This is la. Then e. E. This is e. E. Cha. La. E. Cha. La. Cha is the alphabet we saw in lesson 3. E. Chala. E. Chala means wild palm. It's a tree. It's a type of a tree. Then this is Uta. 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 Uta means meals. And ta was again, we saw this alphabet in lesson 3. Then Kadaga. Kadaga. Kadaga means bracelet. Da was from lesson 3 and Ga was from lesson 1. Kadaga. Kadaga. Now we can see few more words. So lava. This is lava. Lava. Lava means something which is in very minute or small quantity. Then agala. Agala is wide. Kalarava. Kalarava. Chirping. Chirping of birds. That is called as kalarava. Laka laka. It's an expression to say something is shining. Okay, something is shining. Laka laka. So that is the way you express how something is shining. Iga. Iga. Iga is now. Ira. Ira. Damp. Something which is damp or wet. Chala is a wild palm tree. Uta is meals. Una. Una. Una means some defect. Kada. Door. Kara. Hand. Kadana, war. Karaga. Karaga is a kind of festival. It is celebrated in villages where people keep a water pot on their head and they run. Then Kataka is a crab. Kataka. Kataka, crab. Karata is the thick outer cover of the coconut, that shell, the brown shell of the coconut. That is Karata. Karata. Now, we will see if there are any exercises. This is just writing. ಕೆಳಗಿರುವ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಉಚ್ಚರಿಸಲು ಹೇಳಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬರೆಯಿಸಿ. You have to just copy these. It's a practice, writing practice. Just the same alphabets, same words you have to copy in the lines provided. Then, now you have to fill in the blanks here. ಕೆಳಗೆ ನೀಡಿರುವ ಪದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಹೇಳಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬರೆಯಿಸಿ. So you have to fill in the blanks. Looking at the words which you have learned. So this is lava. Lava. This can be kara or ira. Kara means hand. Ira means something which is wet or damp. Then kamala. Kamala is what? Flower, lotus. Then laka laka. Laka laka is an expression of saying that something is shining. Iga. Iga. Okay? Iga means now. Then uta. Uta is meals. Kadana. Kadana means war. Now ಕೆಳಗೆ ನೀಡಿರುವ ಪದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಆವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೂಕ್ತ ಅಕ್ಷರವನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಹೇಳಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. So there is blanks given here, and then there are alphabets given in option. You have option from which you have to pick the correct alphabet and fill in the blank. So this will be kada. Kada means door. Kada, door. Iga. Iga means now, at present. Then kataka. Kataka is a crab. Then karata. Karata is a shell, the hard coconut shell. And then this is, you have to just color. Complete the picture and just color it. So these are also these are the activities here. Now, so again, I will repeat all the 20 alphabets that we have seen so far. So, Ra, Ga, Sa, Da, A. This was lesson 1. Then Ja, Va, Ma, Ba, Na. This was lesson 2. Then Pa, Ya, U, Da, Ta, Cha. This was lesson 3. And now let us look at lesson 4. La, then E, U, and Ka. La, E, U, Ka. So totally we have finished 20 alphabets with lesson 4. Now let us continue lesson 5 in the next video.